I'm Michaela. It's the 14th of February 2020. And today is Gold Day, where the elementary school is showing their support for children with cancer.
I've noticed there's a lot of people wearing gold today. Can you tell us a bit more about this event?
Yes, that's right. There are lots of children wearing gold, and we're very excited about that because today is Gold Day here at SJIIES. This is our third Gold Day, and gold represents the colour for childhood cancer because children are more precious than gold. And so every year we celebrate this day by donating money to the Children's Cancer Foundation here in Singapore, and we try to raise awareness about childhood cancer and how we need more money for research to cure it.
How does Childhood Cancer Day help?
Well, it helped because the CCF needs money to work with children with cancer. They use this money to help new treatments and all sorts of things. Like, they get social workers to play with the children in hospital. It gets quite boring there, especially when you spend 126 nights.
What does CCF do to improve cancer treatments?
Like I said, they give each child a social worker, but they also donate about $2 million a year to new cancer treatments that will help children like me to have a chance like me.
What does SJI Gold Day mean to you?
It makes me so happy that now everybody knows about childhood cancer and we can all donate money to help with the cancer treatments.